दीपिका राइट, दीपिका थोड़ा सा, दीपिका थोड़ा सा, दीपिका हाँ ये दीपिका राइट, दीपिका राइट,
Can you please come here for a few questions?
How are you?
Good. So Deepika, how do you feel to be at the 3rd edition of Vans and GQ Fashion Night?
It's amazing. I think it's always fun to be at fashion events, especially something that's put together by GQ, because it's always elegantly put together and it's always fun.
And who's your favorite designer?
Out of tonight or in life? Out of tonight.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, they're all friends. They're all friends and they're all equally talented, so I can't choose one.
And what are you wearing tonight? Which designer?
None of the above, because this is Sabya. जी यही कि हम भी बहुत खुश हैं और कि आप लोगों को सब इतना पसंद आया, इतना अच्छा लगा। और ये मेरा सबसे फेवरेट गाना है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि सबको गाना इतना अच्छा लगा, चाहे वो केमिस्ट्री हो, विजुअलाइजेशन हो, जो मोमेंट्स है इस गाने के अंदर। I think we're equally excited for the release of the film, and it's going to be special.
Ma'am, Om Shanti Om has recently completed 10 years in the industry.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है सामान।
Okay, tell us what is your style quotient, less or more?
Interesting. I think less, but not in the literal sense. But I think always keep the focus on like one thing. I'm not someone who, I don't like to accessorize too much. So like if you see tonight, wear a pair of earrings, but then there's no other accessory. So I think there has to be like one focus element. And yeah, I think I usually tend to steer towards classic and elegant.
And Deepika, how many shoes do you have in your wardrobe?
Quite a few. Quite a few. I'm obsessed with shoes. How are you? You like the song? You wish you were in it? Thank you.
And Shanti, each 10 years, from there to here, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
It's been an incredible journey. In fact, I was with Farah the day we celebrated 10 years, and it was absolutely ironic that we were together because it was a last-minute plan and it just kind of fell into place. But somewhere I also feel like it's a sign. I'm spending a lot of time with her after a very long time, and it was great catching up with her. And it doesn't feel like I've been here 10 years. It just feels like, it just feels like I've just started off, and I feel like I have so much more to give and so much more to do. And I feel like this is just the beginning.
Ma'am, 3 don'ts while dressing yourself up.
Don't be uncomfortable. Don't do too many things. Don't put together too many elements, and don't not smile.
दीपिका, जब ऐसी फिल्म बनती है पद्मावती को लेकर लोग काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ों की वजह से बार बार चीज़ें आती रहती हैं और ये भी खबर आती है गुजरात में नहीं रिलीज़ होगी, बहुत सारी इलेक्शन की वजह से बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं। तो ऐसे में एज अ एक्ट्रेस की आपकी फिल्म है, संजय लीला बंसाली ने चीज़ें भी क्लियर की, उन्होंने वीडियो भी डाला, उसके बावजूद भी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, तो उस इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? क्या आई मीन लोगों को क्या कहना चाहेंगी? फिल्म वैसी नहीं है, उसके बावजूद जो उसके मिथ जो चीज़ें आ रही है कि नहीं ऐसे होने वाले, इसकी वजह से विरोध हो रहा है, गलत फिल्में बन रही हैं,
हम कुछ नहीं कहेंगे।
दीपिका, चलिए अपने फैंस को जो इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं और बाकी लोगों को कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगी अपनी फिल्म को लेकर?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं यही कहूँगी कि जो प्यार हम सबको मिल रहा है, और चाहे वो पोस्टर्स के लिए हो या ट्रेलर के लिए हो या गानों के लिए हो, आई थिंक वी आर ऑल very very excited. I think we're very very overwhelmed by the response, and we can't wait to share this film with everyone. It's been an incredible journey, and I think we're literally counting the days. We can't wait for the film to release, and we can't wait to share this experience with all of you.
आप चाहें उससे पहले everyone wants the child inside them to live forever.
Yeah.
It's Children's Day is also nearby. अभी भी आप में बच्चा है?
मेरे बच्चे हैं? नहीं, मेरे
मैं वो नहीं कह रहा, मैं मतलब like the child inside.
Absolutely, absolutely, and I think we should all always try and keep that alive. I think that's the best part. I think, yes, I think with society, with with growing up, we tend to sort of lose that sometimes. But I think it's important to try and retain that as much as possible.
And Deepika, last question: what is your style advice for 2018?
Be yourself.
Thank you so much.
दीपिका जी, दीपिका मैम ये
Do join us for dinner and drinks. Thank you and good night.
बातें बातें अरे बैठ जाओ
विरल जी, हाँ नीचे थोड़ा मैडम
पहले प्रिंट हो जाने दो, फिर यहाँ पे आएगा वो।
मैडम हमें भी फोटो कराइए ना, नीचे आइए ना थोड़ा।
Can we have one fashion ocean night space?
Hello.
So Shahid, how do you feel walking the ramp?
Wait, guys. Make me look thin, people. No, you come here. No, come little inside. Trust me. Okay, great.
हमने देखा कि एक अलग अंदाज में आपने एंट्री मारी, तो कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
जी, मैं गौरव ने जो मुझे गाइडेंस दी, मैंने उसी को फॉलो किया. उनकी मेंस लाइन की लॉन्च है, तो उनके लिए बहुत ही बड़ा दिन था. And I'm very happy that I could walk for him and be the showstopper for him. This is a great platform for him to present his line. And so there was a certain theme. उन्होंने जिस तरीके से पूरी अपने शो को डिज़ाइन किया था, he wanted me to walk a certain way, so I just followed what he wanted me to do.
Gaurav, good evening, congratulations for the show.
Thank you.
Can you decode his walk and look and everything for us?
Shahid is a star, and this collection was all about stars and constellations. And for me, he's not just a star; he's a very prolific artist, and that's where we resonate. And this look is basically, all these lines, that all these constellation videos that you must have seen on the video, that there are all these constellations that were forming. So it's very geometric, it's progressive, it's sexy menswear basically.
Shahid, you were looking like a prince. ऐसा कुछ look था क्या? Resonating with the prince?
नहीं सर, वो 1 दिसंबर को है प्रिंस वाला. वो प्रिंस नहीं है, वो
वो
किंग
अब
है.
हमेशा ही प्रिंस लगते हैं.
Shahid, what do you
Sorry.
How do you feel walking the ramp for Gaurav?
It's great. I think he's one of the best designers we have, if not the best. And it's awesome to walk for somebody who's so good at what they do. And I'm so happy that he's come up with a men's line, because the women were pampered by him a lot. And finally the boys have a chance. So it was great. I'm so happy. And I hope people go and check his stuff out because he's fantastic.
Gaurav, what do you think
Thank
about
you.
this platform which GQ and Van Heusen has given?
GQ Fashion Nights is the only platform for bespoke menswear and celebrating menswear in this country, and it's actually the best platform and the only platform. And so kudos to GQ and kudos to Van Heusen for doing this. And this is the best platform that can be in this country.
Shahid, Miss Deepika Padukone also here.
Oh, was she? I had no idea. I didn't know. Has she gone?
महारानी तो आना ही था ना.
जी. आपका सवाल है या सिर्फ बता रहे थे मुझे कि दीपिका आई थी? Thank you जी. Thank you very much for letting me know.
Any style advice for 2018?
I'm the wrong person. I mean, you have him right here. You should be asking him. As far as I'm concerned, I think I like being sharp. I like being comfortable. I like expressing myself. And for me, there are no limits. I mean, how you feel is how you should look. I mean, it's as simple as that.
Follow his advice. That's what I would say. Be more inquisitive, like him.
Shahid, we are seeing you for the first time coming out since the trailer release.
नहीं मैं ऐसा नहीं मैं रोज बाहर निकलता हूँ.
For the public platform in front of us, क्या प्रतिक्रिया आपको मिल रही है और क्या कहना चाहेंगे फिल्म के लिए?
Well, the film's supposed to be out on the 1st of December. हम बहुत proud हैं इस film के साथ. The whole team is very very proud. I think it's going to be a very special cinematic experience. I think it's going to be something which I hope that the entire fraternity will be proud of. जिस तरह के responses मुझे ट्रेलर के बाद मिले हैं, genuinely the whole fraternity has come together to support the film because उन्हें ऐसा लगता है that when something so beautiful is coming, they don't think about it. ऐसा कहीं नहीं होता कि अरे यार इनकी है कि हमारी है. Sometimes films are so good or the trailer is so nice that everybody just comes out and says it's great that हिंदुस्तान में ऐसी film बन रही है, and I got a response like that. I mean, the visuals are larger than life, and you know the film speaks for itself. और yeah, so we are all very very excited and very proud.
गाना भी आया है तो
जी 2 गाने आए हैं. एक घूमर आया था कुछ 3 हफ्ते पहले और अभी एक दिल एक जान गाना कल लॉन्च हुआ है. जी
काफी प्रशंसा की जा रही है like the way you are bonding on the screen.
हाँ जी. Yeah, I mean it's great. I mean the whole purpose of the song is that it's the Raja and the Rani. It's Maharaval, Ratan Singh and Padmavati, and उनकी जो husband wife relationship है, जो relationship as a king and queen है, जिन situations से वो गुजरते हैं. So there's a lot of layers to the way the song is. और अभी तो लोग सिर्फ isolation में गाने को देख रहे हैं. जब फिल्म के अंदर देखेंगे, so they'll understand the context of the song. But I have received very very positive reactions and we're very happy.
अजीब सा थोड़ा माहौल, थोड़ा सा संयम, मतलब डर का सहमा सा भी माहौल है जो लोग क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. तो इस तरह को इसको कैसे ले रहे हैं आप? कई घटनाएं होती हैं, तो आप इसके ऊपर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं कई महीनों से एक ही बात कह रहा हूँ कि फिल्म देखें फिर डिसाइड करें. फिल्म को मौका दें, पहले प्री कंसीव नोशंस ना बनाएं.
Okay, Shahid, what is one fashion trend you wish you would have followed and one you would have given a miss?
I'm loving these. So I'm definitely going to follow this. You can sometimes do with more than just one zip. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's cool.
And what is your personal style quotient, less or more?
Well, it really depends. It depends on your definition of less and more.
A very good answer.
कौन ऐसा व्यक्ति है जिसके पास अपने आप स्टाइल की एडवाइस के लिए जाते हैं या जो आपकी कौन?
He's like that. Everybody motherfucker. Okay, so he'll get used to it. मैं सुन रहा हूँ, आप बोलिए.
जिसकी एडवाइस के लिए आप जाते हैं या जिसकी बात मानते हैं कपड़ों के सिलसिले में?
अलग अलग लोग हैं बिकॉज जब आप फिल्में कर रहे होते हैं तो फिल्में जो डिज़ाइन करते हैं आप उनकी बात सुनते हैं. फिल्म मेकर्स इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. पर्सनली मैं वही पहनता हूँ जो मुझे पहनना पसंद लगता है. मेरे स्टाइलिस्ट हैं, फिलहाल मुझे अनीशा जैन स्टाइल करती हैं जो बहुत अच्छा स्टाइल करती हैं. आज मुझे गौरव गुप्ता ने स्टाइल किया है एंड आई होप आने वाले दिनों में फिर करेंगे बिकॉज आई लव व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग.
Your wife also gives input for your style and dress.
Does a wife not give input in every area? आपकी हो गई शादी? नहीं हुई ना, इसलिए ऐसे सवाल पूछ रहे हो आप. Wives are involved in everything. I think we are partners in life and we advise each other on everything.
And what do you think are the 5 things every man should have in his closet?
Every man should have in his closet is his appropriate fragrance. He should have lots of amazing shoes. I can't have 5. How can a man have 5 things in his closet? I think women have been spoiled enough. Men need to have 100 things in their closet. And there's never an essential. I think an essential is very personal. I would just ask all men to be...
Find your own wardrobe.
Find your own wardrobe, exactly.
Don't share it with your wife.
Find your own personality,
no
find your own self, be more eager, go out there. There are lots of options out there. Try out new things. Do not follow trends. Just find your own personality out there. I think the biggest essential is your own personality in your wardrobe.
That's perfect. That's so well said.
फिल्म के बारे में आगे किस तरह से प्रमोशन करेंगे? मतलब आप लोग और भी क्या प्लान?
तो आपको क्या हवा में करें कि धरती के नीचे जैसे करते हैं प्रमोशन वैसे ही करेंगे यार.
सब लोग
जी मैं क्यों बताऊं? आप दीपिका से पूछिए।
शायद ऐसी खबर थी कि आप कटरीना के साथ फिल्म कर रहे हैं, रोशनी।
कौन सी फिल्म?
रोशनी कर
जी मैं रोशनी नाम की कोई फिल्म नहीं कर रहा हूँ, उसका नाम बदल गया है, उसका नाम है बत्ती गुल मीटर चालू। हाँ, सो दैट्स द नेम ऑफ द फिल्म। उसमें अभी तक हीरोइन डिफाइन नहीं हुई हैं, सो आई डोंट रियली वांट टू कमेंट ऑन इट। जब फाइनलाइज कोई होंगी तो मैं ज़रूर आपको बताऊंगा।
शायद व्हाट इज वन प्रेशियस थिंग इन योर वार्डरोब दैट यू कांट डू विदाउट?
What's precious in my wardrobe is actually my Sculpt wear, because I'm very proud of the line, and it's something that I like to wear all the time. So Sculpt.
One of your films completes 10 years. One of your major Jab We Met. How does it? You remember the days of the Jab We Met and now?
I can never forget the first time Imtiaz walked in with his curly hair and his, you know, that typical walk that he has, and he sat down and he pushed his hair back and he started narrating the film, and I fell in love with the script, and as the film got shot I fell in love with him as a filmmaker. मुझे पता नहीं था, वो नए थे तो मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं था कि वो इतने दिग्गज फिल्म मेकर बनेंगे, बट आई थिंक हर इंसान कहीं ना कहीं शुरुआत करता है, एंड इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू रिकग्नाइज, सपोर्ट, प्रमोट पीपल हु आर टैलेंटेड. मुझे भी ऐसी शुरुआत मिली थी, एंड आई थिंक ही इज़ गिवन मी अ मेमोरेबल जेम. आई थिंक आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट जब वी मेट एज अ फिल्म. वो मेरे करियर का हिस्सा हमेशा रहेगी. सो आई एम सो प्राउड दैट 10 साल बाद आपको याद है ये फिल्म और आज भी लोग उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. So it's very special. It's
Yeah, I've
always
seen
weird.
it on TV a couple of times.
Yes,
It's a repeat watch film. You can watch it again and again. It has that lightness about it.
सदाबहार फिल्म है वो.
जी.
हाँ, सदाबहार film.
विवाह completed 11 years. It released on 10th.
और यार अब तो मेरी पूरी फिल्मोग्राफी में घुस रहा है. बट 11 साल स्पेशल ओकेजन होता है. लास्ट ईयर पूछना था तेरे को मुझे जब 10 साल पूरे होते.
But sir, it actually happens to be the last Silver Jubilee film in India. It ran from 10th November 2006 to 20th July
Which one?
2007.
It's Vivaad.
In Raj Mandir.
Directed by Suraj Barjatya. Yes.
It ran for 32 weeks.
Yes.
How does it feel to be the last Silver Jubilee actor in the country?
Old? Am I supposed to say old? No, but it was a very special film. Suraj Barjatya is a phenomenal filmmaker, and I hope वो और फिल्में बनाएं. वो बहुत कम फिल्में बनाते हैं, और उनकी फिल्मों की जो मार्केट है, जो हिंदुस्तान की कोर ऑडियंस है, जो हमारे छोटे शहरों में, और जो उस तरह की ऑडियंस है जो बहुत हिंदुस्तानी है, वो जिस तरह से फिल्में बनाते हैं वो कोई और नहीं बना सकता, और उनको कोई और उनसे बेहतर रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकता.
Shahid, how many pair of shoes do you have? How many pair of shoes do you have, Shahid?
237. तो ऐसे याद थोड़ी होगा. I used to have 2 wardrobes full of shoes, and now I have half because my wife has taken over the rest.
And what are you wearing tonight?
I am wearing the one and only Gaurav Gupta.
So
These have been,
these shoes have a little
stars
story.
and constellations.
Yes, stars and constellations.
But what's your story?
No, we know the story. It's our own story.
शायद एक आखिरी सवाल. आपके भाई का ईशान जी का भी डेब्यू
जी,
होने वाला है.
जी.
कुछ टिप्स देते हैं आप?
नहीं, मैं उनसे लेता हूँ सर.
विश करना चाहेंगे आप
उनकी फिल्म, ईशान की फिल्म बियॉन्ड द क्लाउड्स, इट वाज shown at the London Film Festival. Majid Majidi साहब डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. I think it will come out in February. That's what he told me. And I have also not seen the film because अब तक यहाँ पर उन्होंने screenings रखी नहीं है. I'm very keen to see the film. I'm very proud of him. And at the same time, I will always give him the advice that I feel anybody who's starting should get. That eventually he has to earn his respect and his place with the work that he does. And I think those basics are strong in him. And I am sure he's going to do very, very well.
शायद बहुत ही आपने मतलब पेशेंस और संयम के साथ जवाब दिए. आगे भी ऐसे देते रहें. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
आपके साथ संयम के बिना जवाब हो ही नहीं सकता सर. तो मैं आपको देखते ही संयम लेके ही आता हूँ अपने साथ.
मुझे I think I need some संयम.
टुडे काट दिए मैंने. You need some संयम. चाहिए, मैं आपको संयम से मिला.
शायद जाने से पहले जो आपके दर्शक हैं उनको फिल्म के लिए, और जो कुछ नाखुश हैं जिनके मन में उथल पुथल मची है, जो उथल पुथल क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए कोई मैसेज?
फिल्म देखें, फिल्म देखने के बाद डिसाइड करें. We've tried to keep everybody's feelings and interests in mind. Try to make the best film that we can make, and we just want people to come and see the film and then decide whatever they feel, and we will respect that. But people should see the film.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Ending the show, just one line saying hi, I'm Shahid Kapoor.